Hi everybody. So this is an update on coronavirus situation, and I wanted to tell you what has been shown until now. It's that the people who were on the ventilator, only 12% from those people who are on the ventilator survived, and from those who survived on the ventilator, only 50% survived within the next 6 months. So this shows that the ventilator, it's not going to help much in surviving the coronavirus. So we need to focus on our immunity much more, so not to get to the stage in order to need a ventilator. Okay, so vitamin C is in the most present in the white blood cells. But the people who have sugar in their blood, actually the people who have diabetes, they suppress the function of the white blood cells for 50%. So that's why their immunity is the lowest and they suffer most from this COVID-19 virus. And also vitamin C is mostly present in adrenal glands. So if we have burnt out adrenal glands, which may be from constant stress, chronic stress, and we know that chronic stress increases the sugar in the blood, so that means we are more susceptible for the coronavirus. So we need to support also our adrenal glands and reduce stress in the same time. So when our immunity is fighting inflammation, it's causing free radicals and oxidative stress. So we need antioxidants to fight this stress, and vitamin C is an antioxidant. And monocytes, which are the first defense system who is fighting this viral inflammation, have 8,000% more vitamin C than the surrounding plasma. So we need to fill up these monocytes with vitamin C so they can fight off the virus and any infection. So when there is inflammation going on in our body, hydrogen peroxide is produced from our body. It's a normal process, and hydroxyl free radicals are produced, which are actually lowering the antioxidants in our body. Because antioxidants are fighting the free radicals, so we are depleting the antioxidants in our body, so we need to replenish, right? And because our detoxification of the body, it needs antioxidants to do the detoxification, and when we have an inflammation, the detoxification, it's impossible, because we have a lower amount of antioxidants in our body, which are used for fighting the inflammation. So what we can do to help our body fight the infection, the viral infection, as you may obviously understand from this video, is to replenish the antioxidant of vitamin C as an antioxidant, and also other vitamins like vitamin D3, then omega-3 also, magnesium, selenium. It's important, and zinc also for fighting the viral infection. And it's one thing to mention, it's important that we need to know that the viruses attack our body, and it's easily for them to multiply and to spread during the night. So that's why usually during the night we can become sick. Like we know that mosquitoes bite during night, so they know, the viruses know, they're very smart, that they can enter the body during night, and they can easily and in a piece they can multiply and spread out through all our body and infect the body. So I hope you found this video helpful, and see you in the next video for a new update. Bye.